You keep telling yourself that you're just staying informed about AI, but you watched 40 videos about whether developers are finished because part of you thinks that the next one will finally tell you what to do. One says the software engineers are doomed, another one says that everything will be fine, and you swing between panic and relief like a stock chart. AI is taking jobs, AI is creating jobs. AI is eroding your skills, AI is making you indispensable. Everyone has a prediction and everyone sounds so certain. And after all of it, you feel worse than when you started because you're not watching this for entertainment. You're watching this because your future feels unstable and you can't tell whether you should act now or wait. And none of this is giving you certainty. It's giving you more angles on the future that your brain can't resolve. So why do you keep going back? It happens because you're trying to close an open loop. Your brain was built to process things that have an ending, a resolution. A predator either attacks or it doesn't. A storm either hits or passes. But this AI situation, it doesn't exactly resolve. It's open-ended, constantly updating, and nobody have an exact answer right now. So your brain keeps scanning. You finish a video feeling like you finally have a grip on it, and then you open another one the very next morning. The more your brain scans, the more contradictory signals it finds. And the more contradictory signals it finds, the harder it scans. It's a loop. And the worse it feels to not have an answer, the harder you look for one. This is why every video, every article, either it's doom or reassurance, it leaves you needing for another one. But this loop isn't just running in your head. It's being fed from the outside. Your brain is constantly scanning for a signal that would close that uncertainty. And you're doing it inside the environment where uncertainty is the exact thing that keeps people watching, subscribing, sharing. And the more dramatic and urgent the headline feels, the more clicks it gets. So that's what gets made. That's what the algorithm shows in your feed. So you're trying to solve uncertainty inside a system that runs on keeping you uncertain. So next time you catch yourself deep inside another thread, another prediction, another comment section at midnight, you'll know what's actually happening. You're not researching the future, you're just trying to find a signal. That swing between panic and relief, it's not you being irrational. That's what happens when your brain is stuck in a loop that's never going to close. And you're running that loop inside a system that keeps feeding it. Understanding that alone doesn't remove the anxiety, but it changes what you do with the next tab you're about to open. And there's another reason why this anxiety just won't go away. And that feeling that no matter how much you learn, the tech is moving faster than you. That's not just the industry. There are 3 psychological factors that get triggered in environments like that. That's what the next video is about. Watch it here.